Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of RMS TV. It's good to have you with us. Today's subject is really kind of interesting. We're going to talk a little bit about home prices and appreciation. You may have noticed that the staggering increase in the value of homes has started to slow down. So, does this mean that they will actually begin to drop? Well, some believe that will happen, and many buyers have pulled out of the market hoping that they will do exactly that. But if my crystal ball is correct, that's just probably not going to happen. I see it this way. Pricing, yes, has begun to slow and stabilize, but and this is really important for you to hear and see. It says, decelerating home prices do not mean depreciating home prices. Let me say that again. Decelerating home prices do not mean depreciating home prices. To show you that, in fact, according to most experts, home price forecasts for 2022 are for another year of increases. The average of those expert participants, as you can see, is 8.5%. For years 2023 through 2026, estimated home price performance will be somewhere between 3 and 4 each year. Simple math says that will equate to an increase of about 24% in home valuation by the year 2026. Still a pretty good investment, right? Well, how about the interest rates? Again, looking at my crystal ball tells me that interest rates will probably go up sooner than they will come down. And no one knows exactly where they will land. So, if you're a buyer waiting for interest rates and home prices to come down, not likely for the foreseeable future. Buyers, my suggestion is now is the right time to buy. Why is that? Well, there's more inventory coming into the market, meaning more choices. Because some buyers have chosen to wait it out, we don't have the bidding wars that we saw some months ago. More open houses tell me that homes are on the market a little longer than they've been, giving you a little more breathing room to make a decision on a home. And more price reductions tell me that the extravagant prices people are asking for their homes are coming to an end. Well, to me, this is all suggesting a change in the market. One of more stability than we've seen for quite some time. So here's the bottom line for today. If you're looking to buy a home, I would still recommend you do so, even at the higher interest rates, because we have no reason to believe that mortgage rates will be coming down. Plus, we're pretty sure that home prices will not stop appreciating. So think of it this way. Home values going up is only a problem when you're trying to buy. When you own, it's a gift. So that's my talk for today. Hope that brings a little clearing to your mind as to what's happening with home prices and mortgage rates and appreciation. The bottom line is, it's a really good time to buy, because of all the factors I just gave you, and because appreciation is not likely to do anything but increase. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time on RMS TV. Bye for now.